about to dig the footings now. So as you can see, I'm putting the soil into the compost bin. I'm going to go 1.5 inches for the brickwork, and for the pillars I'm going to go 2.5 inches deep. Should be enough. So I like to mix it up dry before we put any water in. What we're going to put in a bit, Erin? What we're putting in it in a minute? Sand. No, put sand in. Water. Water, yeah. Some water in it. Yeah. Get it all mixed up first and turn. That's it. So all these bits are out, that's it. Stuff, so it's all mixed in the same colour. It. So just over here, Erin. That's it, mate. Turn the tap on, mate. That's it. Fill it up. Oh, go. That's it. All natural water, look at that. Yeah, go on then, let's pour some in. What do first?
That looks like...
Dig a little hole in the middle, yeah, like that. Put it into that hole like that. Let's pour it. Yeah, that's it, mate. Put it all in, that's enough now for that. Perfect. Right, we're going to twist it and turn it. Watch your eyes, you step back a little bit, love. Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? All splashy, step back a bit, mate, because you don't get it all over you. What we need is for it to pour in nice. Eventually, should mix up like, yeah. So it's going to be tipped in. So just keep going. You get that nice consistency that you need, screeded sort of thing. Perfect. So that's what we want to do, build a pillar there, but if you look at that, it's not too bad level wise. I'm going to put That's not too bad at all, that. So what I'm going to do now is put the end bit in. I couldn't mix enough. I'm going to put some hardcore in there. I've done with it. Right, Erin, let's get some stuff in that hole, yeah? I'm going to get some stones in the hole. Okay, let's do it quickly, not loudly. Let's keep that there. We're ready to pour it in, aren't we now? Yeah. What we're going to do, we're going to move it to there. Let me move it over. We're going to pour it all in.
Let me pull it.
Just a second, one.
Let me do
You've got to lift it up this side then.
Let me.
Get it right on the edge.
Let me take it.
Alright. Right, so we're going to pour it.
We need to pull that out, don't we?
going to do now is lay the bricks. I'm going to lay them alternately so they're not straight over the top of each other. Strength. I've made my mix. I'm just going to trowel it on now. Obviously, I'm trying to get as close to the neighbouring wall as I can. But obviously, it's going to be slightly lower. You've probably noticed as well that I'm using some fishing line as a string line, so I get a nice straight wall. This is best to be used when you start the wall off and not near the top. So as you can see, I'm using a small spirit level to make sure it's square in the X and Y axis. Once I've done this, I've made sure it's level with the brick next to it. I'm going to put the bricks next to those, and you can see that I've offset the bricks. I've already built up the pillar, which is a pretty good job. And I'm just basically wiping off the concrete. I'm not putting too much on. And then I'll scrape it out, ready for pointing. Making it look easier, but sped it up just so it's not so boring to watch, and making sure that every brick's level as we go. So every so often I'm checking it with a long spirit level to see whether the wall is straight overall, and it looks pretty good. In this section here, I'm showing you how to split a brick. This is going to be used so that we can use it on the pillar section. As a half brick, I'm using a masonry chisel and a hammer, and I'm going to put a line in the brick where I want it to be cut. This is very important because the line will determine where the cut of the brick is once you hit it with the final blow. Just about to see now. Perfect. This is what I want to do. I'm going to put these bricks on the pillar like this. This will form the perfect section for the decking to sit on. It's a strong point. I'm also going to fill the middle with concrete as well, and the access down that hole there. When I backfill it all as well, so I'm going to backfill the wall up to the roots, which is the whole purpose of it, to stop the roots falling out and all the soil eroding, and hopefully the hedge will survive. But this is also going to give me a sound base for some decking I intend to put up next year. So I might put some capstones on top, and I need to point it yet, but job's a good one. It's looking quite level as well, as you can see there, the long level. That's what you want.